I was born to be free.
Good afternoon, everybody. How are we doing on this Friday when the market is absolutely off its bananas? Guys, yesterday in the live stream, first of all, where's my music? Yesterday in the live stream, we talked about how CVD was bullish. We talked about how we're probably going to come up and take the high again. We talked about how all of this was going to happen. And shouts out to my VIP members. Seriously, where are my beats here? Shouts out to my VIP members that knew we were long yesterday. We gave a beautiful long setup. I actually took a long trade on live or in a one-on-one session yesterday. So it's safe to say that one-on-one session went really well, and my student got right in my head and exactly what was going to go on with that trade. And it worked out actually perfectly. So I might release that. I might not. Guys, Bitcoin is on its move. How do I sound? How do I look? How do I sound? How we doing? I changed up the settings a little bit again. Yo, chat. Hold on. Let me get my chat up. Guys, by the way, is the stream lagging? Because things are kind of lagging here on my end. I don't know. It's a little bit laggy. But welcome. It is Friday. My name is Gio. If it's your first time here, my name is Gio. And every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. Who's in the chat? Joe, what's poppin', brother? Mr. Best. Sounds like Mr. Beast. How are you, my friend? S. Razor says, let's fucking go. Aiko, what's up, brother? How are you? Design Aspects, let's go, let's go. Philly's in the chat. What's up, brother? How are you today? Happy Wednesday. Well, I was about to say happy Wednesday. Happy Friday. Dario, man, says we are making history. Yeah, we absolutely are. Mickey says, what the hell? 70K rejected to 66K. Mickey, are you surprised, bro? Last time we were up there, we dumped like $12,000. This rejection was a little bit less of a rejection than the last one, which we're going to talk about here. Mario says, hello, Geo dudes, are ready for some fire. Today, guys, we are going to get some fire going because, hey, Fridays, I'm going to turn Fridays into Rock Fridays, and we, together, are going to make crypto great again. I actually don't think it was ever great, but we're going to make it great, man. We're bringing the personality, we're bringing the fire, TA, and we're bringing the noise as we love to do. Shouts out Philly, shouts out Mario. Jet's in the chat. Richard is in the chat. What's up, boys? How we doing? Welcome back. Man bun man, I'm short Bitcoin. I am actually not short Bitcoin at the moment. John YT says, beats go hard. Thank you, bro. That intro, man. Yo, guys, do me a favor. Drop the pickle emoji if I sound okay, all right? Because I don't know how I sound. Things are changing and whatever. Jason Root says, let me see a blue candle. Oh, wait, wrong stream. Shouts out to Jason Casper. Every step I take, Jay got to, Jay, I gotta give Jay royalties. Jess says, I dare you to watch Easy and Kobe do push-ups live right now. Yo, you heard the man. Easy and Kobe, you got some work to do. Philly, VIP is fire. VIP Pickles. Bitcoin Bear, what's up, brother? How you doing? No more pink, Geo. Am I not? I don't know, man. Guys, someone's got to help me with these, man. Someone's got to help me with this. Free Eric, don't tell me he's in jail again, bro. I hope not. I hope not. Crypto and Bitcoin are two different things. Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Absolutely. I smashed the like button like it was angry sex with your ex. Hey, makeup sex, the best sex. Guys, happy Friday, man. We are long, caveman. We are live. We are long. Jason Rue says you guys so much exercise during that video. So I'm going to tell you this, caveman, bro. I closed a good portion of my longs, okay? Let's talk about what happened, okay? We hit the intros. You know, if you're new here, guys, welcome. If you're returning, my people, welcome back. Please let me know if I look okay because, I don't know, it's kind of laggy. It's kind of laggy on my end. And, we don't like that. We don't want it to lag. So, Bitcoin is pumping. I'm going to go, and I'm just going to trust that you guys are going to tell me if it's not going to be good. Bitcoin is pumping. Okay? Bitcoin is pumping, and Gio's walking. I got my pump in this morning. Bitcoin is pumping, though. So, what happened? What was this entry that I had, and why was I relatively confident in it? Shouts out to the VIP Discord, because I told you guys last night, I'm like, guys, this is, because, man, you guys know, I've been fully transparent. I have never hit a 5-digit trade before. Okay, I've never made $10,000 in one trade. That is my next milestone. I want to get there. I've never gotten there. Okay? That being said, I messaged the Discord yesterday. I'm like, boys, this is going to be the 5-digit trade. I feel it. I feel it in my bones when we took the setup and I let them know yesterday. Okay? Now, what do I always say, guys? I mean, listen, sorry, but the Asian market makers absolutely suck. I hate them. Every single time I'm asleep, they do shit. New York, lately, as for the last few months, haven't done a damn thing. And so, while I was up in some pretty decent profits, okay? While I was up in some pretty decent profits last night, I opted to close the position because I was worried that Asia was going to do what Asia does, which is fucking suck. The market makers. Okay, don't get mad at me. Don't come for me. I'm talking about the market makers. Unless you're an Asian market maker, then I hate you. Get out of here. But, I closed the position, okay? ultimately, if I held it open, we would have been safe. I had a solid stop loss, and it would have worked out. But that doesn't mean anything. You know why? Because there's going to be another trade today, just like there was another trade yesterday, and there will be another trade tomorrow. So let's talk about what even happened down here, because this is where I longed. Where are we right now? This is where I longed from yesterday. We longed at $66,000. Okay, and I want to go over why we longed here, and I want to go over how you could have entered that long trade with me, despite me not telling you if you're not in VIP. Okay, so let's talk about it. We gave a few updates today. We longed again today, just for the record. But we gave a few updates. We talked about this order block on stream. I'm just trying to get the time. 6 p.m., 7 p.m. yesterday. What time is it now? Where are we now? Shouts out to Crypto Girly. Happy Friday. What's up, girl? How you doing? Cape Crypto says to the moon. We're going to go over this trade real quick, and then we're going to talk about where we might head next. Jet says a strong body, strong mind section. They both did them. Let's go. I'll check it out in a little bit here. All right. So yesterday, I think it was down here. What day is today? Where did I enter this trade? I think it was down here. Oh, I'm on the 30. Okay, I need to come to the 10. Let's see what happened here. So yesterday, today is Friday. So it was down here. We were down here. It was here. Here? Oh man, I'm tripping out right now. Here. It was here. Okay. So this is where I longed initially. So, okay, so this is what happened. So we started coming down. Okay, this was a key level. We had a nice 10-minute order block here. So we were watching this order block. Okay. I was watching this order block yesterday. 10-minute order block down at the lows. And I let my VIP members know, look, this is that 10-minute order block. Let me get, where are my vector candles? Why my vector's not working? Tino, bro. Come on, man. You're failing me right now. Your indicator's failing me. Where are my vector candles at? All right. So look, okay, now that we found it, we're good. We're chilling. So yesterday, what happened? So what happened yesterday? We had a 10-minute order block that I was suspecting may potentially hold. Why was I saying that it was going to potentially hold? Normally, you guys know that I would be obsessed with sweeping liquidity, as I've been a little bit too much in the past. However, fine, we move forward. Normally, I'm like, oh, I would want to sweep the liquidity, targeting potentially a lower order block. However, this wick actually did its job. Shouts out to Candles Don't Lie. What's up, brother? How are you? Keys Van Den Bosch. How are you, bro? Philly, Friday. Let's get it. Listen, this wick swept this wick. Okay? So we actually had a liquidity grab. So I was okay to not necessarily come down further. In addition to that, we had this wick sweep out these longs as well. So I was cool. While we were coming into this 10-minute order block, I was watching 1-minute structure. Now, I don't normally watch 1-minute structure, but I was aware that we were in a potential 10-minute order block. I was aware that Market Cipher B was looking hella bullish, which I'll talk about here in just a second. Shouts out to Market Cipher. And so I wanted to see the structure change on the way in. Now, as soon as we did this, I'll tell you, yesterday, and by the way, I literally have this entire process as it was happening, like, recorded, okay? Because I was doing a one-on-one session, and I literally have the entire thing recorded. I might release it for my YouTube, might not. I don't know. We'll see. As we were watching our structure coming down here, and we flipped into bullish market structure on the 1-minute time frame, which was right at this point. Okay, it was at this point. Why? Because your structure is down, up, flipped bullish. This already is suggesting that this order block may hold. Now, what ended up happening is we continued moving up. What's up, Drew? Yeah, bro. Open up a ticket and we'll take care of you. Or you could do it through WAP. So we continued our move up. This is where I was sitting in pretty decent profits because I entered long here. I added to my long trade up here as well. And I let my VIP members know, hey, we talked about this order block on stream. Look, I even said if we break this level, which was this level here, we're probably coming up a lot higher. I gave a video update. And so, you know, I was updating it all day yesterday, right? We ended up taking the long. And what happened overnight is they ran it down. Okay. Now I closed my position over here because I was going to bed. It was like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Actually not yet. I didn't go to bed yet. Did not go to bed yet. Tom Crown is in the chat. Tom, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? How are you? Tom Crown says, GG Bears. I don't know if this is the real Tom Crown, but if it is the real Tom Crown, hold on. If it is the real Tom Crown, shouts out to you, Tom. What's up, bro? How you doing? How you doing? So look, it was at this point yesterday I closed it. I closed it up here because Market Cipher started saying like it started looking started looking a little bit sketchy, and because Asia does this thing where they never ever let me have nice things, literally ever, I ended up closing the trade. My stop loss was under this low, and sure enough, we never actually came down to tap that low. However, we did re-enter in long, and we are up in juicy, nice profits right now. Sending your condolences to dem Bears. Those are fresh. You like them? Yo, I got other ones. Hold on. Let me get the fire ones for you. Give me 1 sec, bro. Tom, bro, this is the first Rock Friday that we're doing. There you go. Shouts out to Tom Crown. There you go. All right, so look, the trade was here. We gave it in the Discord, and we are chilling, and we're in profits. Now, I also told you guys that later on, as soon we were targeting the high, I took a lot of profit. Like, I'm like 90% out of my longs right now, okay? I'm 90% out of my longs right now because, obviously, when we're taking the high, you guys know, man, we just trade the range, man. It's hard to see in the blue right now. But when we are in our range, okay, we're in our range, right? You can see on a more macro, not macro, but we're on the 30-minute time frame. You have your range, and every single time you are looking to trade your range, you need to, more often than not, expect your range to hold rather than it not. And right now, and we gave this range as well, right now, currently, wherever this wick is to the downside, this is our range. We broke the high of the range, okay? And so up here, should you be longing? Probably. Objectively not, okay? Objectively, you should not be longing up here. Can you long? Can you get away with it? You probably can. If you've been longing the top for the past 6 months, you've been getting away with it. However, objectively, especially if you are range trading, is this the trade to take right now? No, it is not, okay? So, when we broke the high and we had a little baby rejection here, I absolutely did take 90% of my profits, okay? Shouts out to Philly. Shouts out to Igor. What's up, brother? It is the afternoon, boy. But, okay, Phil says that we're going to make a run for the high again. We can, man. We can. And Market Cipher is looking bullish AF. And that's why I was looking for the long trade down here. And that's why we're sitting in some nice, juicy profits. Now, I took the profit. It's a little bit risky right now for me to have held on that very fast rejection that we got this morning. I will continue to look for longs throughout the day, obviously. But when you are range trading at the highs of the range, objectively, you shouldn't be longing. It's not the smartest idea. So I took profit. When we were down here this morning, I gave an update to my VIP members, 1144. I am going to try a long here. The same exact way that I just explained yesterday's long, we did literally the exact same thing today. Guys, it is clockwork. Once you figure out the game of trading, you figured it out. And we waited, we hit a 2-hour order block down at the lows, and we saw market structure on the 2-minute time frame, or even 1-minute time frame if you want to go really internally, flip bullish. The reason I entered this long trade, which I told my VIP members, this is the same thing that I'm drawing, is because I understand that Market Cipher is looking bullish AF on these higher time frames. So now that we got the technical stuff out of the way, now that we got complimented by Mr. Tom Crown himself with the shades, although mine, I mean, come on, this is good comp. Like these are fire, right? Let's talk about Market Cipher, because I imagine a lot of you guys are here from Market Cipher, for Market Cipher. Let's talk about Market Cipher. So on yesterday's stream, we were talking about how we have bullish CVD. Okay, we were talking about how we have bullish CVD. If you're on exo charts here, okay, you check on exo charts, you can see that over time, and this is my favorite way to use CVD, but over time, as you have, let me come to a higher term time frame. over time, okay, if you have open interest increasing as it is right here, from this point on, open interest is increasing. You could even do it from just this point. It's fine. Open interest is increasing. However, your CVD over time is decreasing, yet price is not going down. That is called absorption. That is called market makers are absorbing all of the market shorts that are coming in the market. Okay? They are absorbing them with their limit longs. And my favorite way to use CVD is range-based CVD. I will make a video on it. I have a video coming on range-based CVD very soon, which I've already talked about, but I'll go about it a little bit more extensively. But range-based CVD within this range was bullish. Okay? So we already should have been favoring the longs. Now, market Cipher, when we made this big fake out to the upside and then fake out to the downside, how did we look here? We're on the 4-hour time frame. Let's come on the 2-hour time frame. Let's dump our range. We know that we're in a range. Let's dump all these zones. We know that we're in these zones, right? We know that we're in an order block right now, so you definitely shouldn't be longing up here. But what happened here? So not only did we have our fake out, but we had vector candles on the way down, right? Every single day I teach you guys to follow the money. Vector candles are the money because your market makers are limit longing the entire way down, while you, retail, are market shorting the way down. Okay, so you're FOMOing short while market maker is building long positions. And this very much so coincides with the fact that CVD was bullish. Okay, we have bullish CVD in this range. So we were expecting a breakout, in addition to the fact that on the higher term time frames here on Market Cipher, I mean, money flow is just wild. Okay, like money flow is not seeming to go down no matter how hard the bears try. And like Tom Crown just said, bears are getting absolutely destroyed. Okay, bears are getting absolutely destroyed. So what was the clue, on top of the fact that CVD was, you know, bearish? What was the clue that we were going to continue the move to the upside? Hold on, let me just check my positions here. Okay, good. I'm not really in any positions, but what was our clue? Because we had a clue, and the clue is the number one market cipher rule that I have, man. The number one. What's the number one rule, guys? I say it every day, 100 times a day. The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And I'll tell you this: when we're in this range-based, when we're in this range environment and money flow on the 4-hour time frame is as thick as it is here, do you see any divergences? Right here, money flow is getting thicker. Okay, money flow is getting thicker. Where are the divergences? Do you see any of the divs? At the time, we'd never had any divergences. However, now we do. So if we go back in time, okay, and you see this, just always think back to the number one market cipher rule. The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We have very thick money flow. Do you see any divergences? Absolutely not. And so you can expect to come up and take the high, which is exactly what we did. But now there's two things that can happen at these highs. There is an SFP and there is a close. And we just SFP'd the high for the second time in a row. Okay? This first time we tapped here, we had a pretty significant rejection to the downside. And the second time we tapped here now, we just SFP'd again. So if this daily candle closes below the previous high, which is 69355, it's not really the most bullish sign, okay? But in addition to that, this daily candle is very important in my opinion, because I think right now the most important level in all of Bitcoin is, oh, I'm on the wrong chart. I think the most important level in all of Bitcoin right now is this daily level, is this high, okay? This number, 68399, in my opinion, is the most important level in all of Bitcoin, because this is now technically the highest daily candle close in all of Bitcoin history, okay? And if this is the highest daily close, if we can close above it, we just put in another highest daily close in Bitcoin history. So in my opinion, this number, this level, is going to be the most important level until it is not, okay? What do I mean by that? Until we start closing, like, if we, okay, this is the most important level. If we close below it, then this is still the most important level. If we close up here, then we're going to move our most important level up to wherever the new daily close is. So we're going to keep trailing it up until it is no longer our most important level. We absolutely, and I have an alert here, we need to be paying attention to 68.4K. Does that mean that we're going to go down? Absolutely not. It's just, in my opinion, that is the most important level that we have. So market cipher right now, as it currently stands, suggests, yo, we got thick money flow. Now we're starting to, we know the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, and we got our divergence, okay? In addition to that, we have confluence with the idea that we potentially SFP'd the high. So we are at a very, in my opinion, very make or break point in the chart right now, because this is the last order block, and it's a 5-minute order block, and it's a $1,000 range. But this is the last order block that we have until a new all-time high again. And this is the point, really, where, in my opinion, we will confirm or deny the SFP on the higher term time frames, right? Like, there's no doubt this is a 2-hour SFP. And in order for our 2 SFP to not end up being an SFP on the daily or on like the 8-hour or something, we need to break through this level, and the level is now, right? We're in the 786, we're in the 618, we're in the last order block, which is now technically mitigated. But most importantly, and like I said, guys, look, whether you like what I'm saying or don't, I keep it objective. You have to live in reality. We can't be like the liberals. But look, when you have a range, which we have a range as I drew, you need to know, you could even extend the range. How do we trade the range? You are going to trade to fill the pockets of the range, okay? So am I suggesting that we might come down now after this SFP down to 20K? Not at all. We could even continue higher. We SFPs all the time. And I'm just giving you the more macro grand look of things as per our current range. And the way that I trade ranges is I trade towards the gaps of the range, because more often than not, this looks like a shoe. More often than not, your range will hold and we will trade towards the range. So what can we expect? 2 things. Number 1, we SFP the high. Number 2, we don't. If we don't SFP the high, we could potentially break out and build a new range up here, which is exactly what one of the 2 scenarios I said are going to be. Maybe we break out and maybe we start to range up here. I actually don't think that that's a bullish thing if we do that literally at all. Okay. Number 2 is we SFP the high and we continue playing the range for what it is, and we potentially can get a rotation down. How do we know what's going to happen? Well, what did I just say? The answer is very easy. We are in the last order block right now. Literally the very last order block right now. We just tapped it. So if we get a market structure change here, we can probably assume that we're likely to rotate somewhere down to the bottom part of the range, because we are here to fill the void. Okay? We're not here to be perma bulls. We're here to trade every day, and we're here to make money every day. And I'm gonna hit that 10K trade, man. I swear. It's coming. It's coming. All right, chat, what's going on? Trudeau's in the house. What's up, man? Easy's here. All right, Salvaggio says, someone smells pullback. Is it possible Pepe screwed you? I mean, yeah, man, anything is possible, guys. Just as fast as we came up, you can go down. And just as fast as we came up, you can go up even higher, right? Trading is all probabilities. There is nothing guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in trading other than me being 5'2" 3/4. Nothing else is guaranteed. Everything else is probabilities. The only guarantee is that I'm 5'2" 3/4. That is literally the only guarantee. Can I do some analysis on Pepe? Yeah, I'll check Pepe in a little bit here. Jason Roos says, what is the definition of a divergence the way Gio is using it? Very easy, bro. Divergence is just when your oscillators are diverging from price. When your oscillators are making a higher high, but your momentum waves or your money flow is making a lower high, that's a divergence. So if price is doing this and market cipher B is doing this, that's a divergence. And don't think of the word divergence just in terms of trading. Like, divergence is a real, not just a trading term. What does diverging mean? It just means when something is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. So if price is making a higher high, but your momentum waves are not making a higher high, that's a problem, right? That's a divergence. Your indicator is showing you something different than your prices. It is diverging from price. And so that's how you can look at it. Shouts out to Dalaric, says, what trading books do I recommend? I have no idea, bro. I don't do trading books. No clue. Couldn't even name one. If you put a gun to my head, I'd be dead. I have no idea. Candles Don't Lie says, love the way you say stuff. Gio, you're the man. I appreciate it, brother. You're the man. You're one of my OGs. Oh, Mario says, Gio, don't forget the disclaimer, man. Thank you very much for the reminder. Guys, everything I say, disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer. We already touched up on that. Wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. Viewer discretion, my friends, is always advised. Guys, how are we feeling on this Friday? We talked about Bitcoin a little bit. I think I'm going to start doing Rock Fridays, or we're going to rock on Fridays, because why the hell not? And as always, guys, every 100 likes we get on stream, okay? Every 100 likes we get on stream, I do giveaways, okay? I got 4 boot camps, and I will do a giveaway for every 100 likes. So make sure you guys smash the like button if you're here. And if you're here for the first time, drop me a random emoji so that I know that you're here for the first time. Welcome, my friends. Every single day, I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. All right. Hey, Gio, do I think that the weekend could be volatile? Yeah, I do. And the reason I do is because we are at all-time highs. And so we are in a very volatile, like, place, right? In a more macro, okay, let's look at the more macro stuff, right? Let's look at the more macro. You guys know, I always preach, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Let's be objective, okay? I'm going to give you 2 scenarios that might happen. Either, obviously, we go up or we go down. But I'll give you both scenarios, and then we'll talk about how volatile I believe each scenario will be. Objectively, right now, on the 8-hour time frame, we have money flow diverging, okay? Objectively. Not only that, but if this next red dot confirms, then we have a 3-tap. Okay? We got a 3-tap. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Does that mean we're going to dump to all hell, dump to eternity? No, it does not. It means that we have a potential to range, okay? So if your question is, do I think the weekend could be volatile in a sense of us getting a $10,000 move to the upside or to the downside, my answer is I don't really know. But if I wouldn't be surprised if we started to range here, okay? I wouldn't be surprised. And I actually think that ranging here is a lot more bullish than it is ranging up here, okay? Because if we take the high again and we start to range up here, Bitcoin loves to do this pattern, which we talked about before. We've talked about this. Actually, we talked about it yesterday as well. But Bitcoin loves to do this thing, and it did it back here before the dump to 38K. Okay? Bitcoin loves to do this thing where I'm going to come on a smaller term time frame. It's not just Bitcoin. All assets do this. This is all market maker behavior. But Bitcoin loves to do this thing where we have a range. We have a manipulation of the range. What is the manipulation? The manipulation is market makers. In this case, it overlapped a little bit. Is market makers essentially inducing traders into thinking that that you're gonna hold this level. Like they go, oh, you're in a range, we're holding above the range, we're good, we're chilling, like support is holding, we flip the resistance into support, and then they give you the expansion to the downside. And this pattern happens literally all the time. Okay, literally all the time. Like every asset loves to do this. I'm not gonna get so into it, but right, you have your range, your manipulation, and then your expansion to the downside. Okay, so we just need to know that that is possible. Okay, yeah, in this case, your distribution, right? Your range, your manipulation, your distribution. What will happen here? Watch this, okay? What will happen right here is, remember, as of right now, currently, we are in a massive range, and we've talked about this plenty as well, okay? My last video covered ranges, and we talked about this. We are in a massive range. So if we're here, and we do the same thing that Bitcoin just did on the 4 hour, like a couple months back, and we start ranging right here and don't really continue breaking up, it's not a good sign. Okay, it's not really a good sign. And so when this, if and when this happens, this could be your manipulation, and then you'll have your distribution to the downside, right? You'll get wrecked to the downside. Look at how the exact same thing happened on the macro time frame here. You could have said that this was your range, this was your manipulation, right? Inducing traders to shorting at the low, and then this was your expansion to the upside. Okay, the same thing that happened down here could happen down here. Am I saying it's not a bull market? Absolutely not. Am I saying that this is going to happen? Absolutely not. Am I saying that it is possible? Yes, it is possible. Anything is possible. Despite money flow being thick, despite the whole world and their mother being extremely bullish, anything is possible. So we need to just be aware of it. Billy, I just hit the disclaimer, bro. AZTV, I'm about to do a prayer to repent for these feelings. Peace. Say Bitcoin to 1 million. Hey, maybe, man. Maybe we do. Maybe we do. I'm interested to see how the halving or the halvening, I don't even know how to say it, plays into this whole thing. Shouts out to Fernando Ace. Do I watch Traders Reality? I absolutely do. I followed Tino like 2 years ago, and I studied Tino to a T. I got one shout out from Tino. So shouts out to Tino. Yes, I do. I basically incorporated Tino's market maker method with my own kind of ways of trading. But the vector candles, all Tino. So shouts out from Tino. Shouts out to Tino, not from Tino. Am I in any positions? Yeah, I'm in a couple of longs. Man, I had to close my like MEXC because MEXC like it's so laggy right now, and it basically like almost screwed up the whole stream. But yeah, I am in a position. I took out like 90% of my longs at the high though, and I'm really like objectively, we're in a range, and until I have no reason to believe that the range is not going to break. I have no reason to believe that it's going to break until it does. So up here, while we're at the high ends of the range, I'm looking for shorts. I am not looking for longs. I'm definitely not longing up here. The time to long was yesterday. The time to long was down here today, which again, I gave my VIP members. So shouts out to Salvaggio. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, man. Wow, I'm new here and Geo throwing only best juicy meat of knowledge into sub. Welcome, my friend. I'm very glad to have you here. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the network. Tino is the truth. Yes, sir. Tino's a G. If I ever have the opportunity of speaking to Tino, I will absolutely let him know that guy, he changed my life. Tino changed my life. So what do I want to see right now? Okay, as a scalper, as a day trader, what do I want to see right now? Well, I want to see probably 5-minute structure. I want to see 5-minute structure break. I want to see 5-minute structure break for me to believe that this order block is going to succeed. Basically, perhaps I'll front run it and do 2-minute. But to see that this is gonna hold and then we move to the downside. So we'll see. And this is what I look for when I'm scalping. Shouts out to TT, says I am not in any positions. I am lying. Okay. If you say so. Justin Trudeau says Kobe's fat and it's okay because body positivity is more important than being fat phobic. Yeah, I don't know about that. How many people we got in chat right now? Shouts out to all 165 of you guys. We only have 51 likes and 165 people in here. Make sure to smash the like button because again, every single day I talk about how and why the market moves the way that it does. So make sure that you smash the like button, and every 100 likes I do a bootcamp giveaway. I have 4 boot camps: market cipher, market structure, order blocks and liquidity, and key zones in building the narrative. Each one are over 3 hours of premium content. You can get one of these for free. All you gotta do is hit the like button. Guys, I will be right back. I gotta pee. And I'm gonna go get some Perrier as well. BRB. All right, chat, what are you talking about? Let's talk about it. Somebody mentioned me on Tino's stream the other day. I know, man. I know. Someone clipped it and sent it to me. That's sick. That's sick. Shout out to Mr. Wiggles. I got altcoins long, low leverage, and you just took a short hedge. Yeah, hedging. I should make a video on hedging as well. Thanks for my inspiration. Hey, thank you for being here, man. I'm glad I could help. Pump or dump up here. I mean, we've been pumping. We just SFP'd. We took the high again. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. We shall see what happened here on the 15-minute. Let's take a look at what happened up here. I mean, it looks like we could get a little bit like it looks like we could take the high again. But, you know, we got to follow the lower term time frame structure within this order block to know for sure. But I mean, is this the end? It might be, but maybe not. However, we can see that over time, money's coming out while we made another higher high again. So if I had to guess, I'm more on the in a scalper's point of view, a little bit more down than up right now. But I just trade the range for what the range is. And if I see the signals I want to see, like if I see a 5-minute breakout structure, if I see this guy gone, why not short it? Like, why not? If I could kindly ask, is it okay to have free Cipher B, or is it different than the original? Well, free market Cipher B does not have money flow, and your money flow is basically going to filter out your good trades versus your bad trades, right? And a market Cipher, like the number one rule that I have and that I always say is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, right? So that alone can really help you understand where price may go next. I really like, you can trade without it, but I don't trade without it. And the money flow, remember, like what I said earlier in the stream, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And if on the 2-hour time frame you can see you have thick money flow and you haven't taken the high, then you can already assume that we're going to come and take the high again, right? And so we'll see. I mean, this doesn't look very different. Oops. This doesn't look very different than what happened the other day down here, right? We had the low, we came back up, we recovered it. Here we had the low, we came back up and we recovered it pretty quickly. So we'll see what happens up here. And this is the make or break. Obviously, it's at the all-time high, but I mean, Jason says 70K by end of day. We will see. Shouts out to Matt BTC. Says, yo, Gio, working right now, can't be here for the stream. Wanted to swing by and show some love. Matt, bro, I appreciate it, man. You don't gotta keep donating like this to me, but I very much appreciate you, bro. God bless you. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for coming and sticking by, even when you can't be here and you're working. I appreciate you as always, my brother. Pepe, again, pump. Why I just not close that heavy short? Yeah. You got to be careful, man. You got to be careful when you are, when you're looking to short these altcoins, especially during altcoin season, which you can see, like, you know, Pepe's up 37% today. That is wild, right? Shouts out to the Messenger, Prophecy Watch TV. Says, just subscribe. Welcome to the channel, my friend. I'm glad to have you here. Glad to have you here. Hopefully, I can provide you with some entertainment. Hopefully, I can provide you with some knowledge. And, you know, at the end of the day, I just want me and I want all my people to make it. And if you're here, then you are my people. So, welcome. My Perrier and I cheers you. It's like bad luck to cheers with water, but we just did it anyways. Whatever. No, I'm going to blow my whole account because I just did that. All right, Beach just says, can I draw the local structure? Yeah. So you can choose whatever time frame you want, right? You can choose whatever time frame you want. I would say, to be safe, here, this is what I would do. Your 5-minute structure is up, down, up. This is where we longed, right? We longed here. And then, it would really be up, down, up, okay? And we don't know how much more up it can go. So this is your 5-minute. Did this take the high? I mean, it doesn't really matter. Anywhere up here, it doesn't matter. This is your structure. So this is your 5-minute low. For me to have confidence in a short, I would want to see this 5-minute time frame go, okay? What Excuse me, I keep hiccuping. Where could we potentially say that, okay, we're gonna change our low? Well, in a few minutes here, we might actually get another break of structure here on the 5-minute time frame, which would be better because we could get a better entry if we decide that we want to short. Right now, there's no shorts, but this is your structure currently on the 5-minute time frame, right? It's like this. Now, if you want to get a little bit more refined, we can hop into our 2-minute structure and say, all right, what's our structure here? Well, I mean, the 2-minute as of right now is kind of the same as the 5-minute. So it doesn't really change anything. This is what we're looking for right now. We're looking for this low to go, or we're looking for this high to go. And if the high goes, then we can do this on the 5-minute. I mean, it still doesn't look really great. I would rather, if we're going to have a continued move to the upside, I would actually prefer down first. I would want this. I would want a deeper retracement than just here. I would want like here or here and then continued up. But that's how we're currently looking right now on Bitcoin. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it. All right. Jabs is here. What's up, Jabs? Man, I can't wait for Jabs to come back. He's almost back. Mr. Wickle says, I'm the most relatable TA YouTuber you've come across that uses real strategies. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. We're happy to have you, bro. Happy to have you. Am I familiar with... I'm not going to say that. Y'all are trying to trick me. I'm not going to say it. I know I'm not familiar with it. Not at all. Coming up on the RSI 80 monthly FOMO. I mean, yeah, like, listen, we got to be objective. Like, we are very overextended. This thing could topple over, but it's too soon for it to say it right now. Sky Chima says, Sup, Gio? What did we work on today? Today was chest and try day, baby. Chest and tries. And by the way, actually, good. Thank you for asking me this question, guys. On my my Instagram, my Instagram is tradergeo_YT. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna pause the music here because I want you guys to do this with me. Okay, I want you guys to do this with me. So every day, I don't know if you know this, but Nick Cipher, Flopping Groper, is CryptoFace's brother. Shouts out to Nick. Shouts out to CryptoFace. Shouts out to Market Cipher, official sponsors of the channel. Nick is doing this thing where every day until Bitcoin hits 100,000 subscribers. Jeez, until Bitcoin hits $100,000, we are doing 100 push-ups every day. And the hashtag that we have is hashtag 100 to 100K. So I'm going to show you this video. Okay, I'm going to show you. And I want you guys to start joining us on our journey. Right now, every day on my Instagram, it's me and like 7 dudes. And we do the push-ups every day. And we're, I guess, trying to do this movement. Now, I don't fully understand the movement because you guys know, all I know is how price gets from A to B. I do not know the technical and the technology, and I don't know any of that. But I'm here to join. So I want to show you guys, and I want you guys to start doing this. Now, I'm going to keep the video muted because I'm going to get copyrighted. But I want you guys to, every day, if you want to participate, if you want to get, like, let's get it. You know, we're here to become the top 1% or bust. If you were trying to get it, I want you guys to do this every day on YouTube or on Instagram and tag me. We're doing 100 push-ups every single day, and tag me, and I'll repost it, and I'll put them on the repost, and then all of you, they will know that you guys all came from me, and it's just like a fun thing that we can all, you know, partake in together. And the hashtag is hashtag 100 to 100K. And so I'll show you like my story today. I do the same thing every single time. Right? And then I tag them all. So this is like a little fun thing that you guys are able to do with me. If you guys decide that you want to do it on your stories and tag me and I'll repost it because, you know, why not? Why not? Why not? Actually, also, while we're here, guys, let me hit you with this. I'm sorry to shill you so many things at the same time, but this is a good time since that link came up. Guys, there are a few ways that you can help support me for free. Let's just start by saying that. You can hit the like button for me. It really helps me a lot, and I appreciate it. Aside from that, Market Cipher, 20% off. Discount code is the link is in the description down below. And the exchange that I use is called Mexi, is the cheapest on fees across the board by far. And I currently have a competition open for my MEXC users. Okay, so if you sign up with my link, which the link is in the description down below, for the next 10 days, I believe is left, 7 days. We got 7 days left. You will be entered to win in this competition, and it's basically a P&L thing. So shouts out to Coach Z, who is winning by a landslide here. The top 3 people get $1,000. First place gets $500, second place gets $300, and third place gets $200, courtesy of MEXC. So if you guys are interested in that, the link's in the description down below. You can enter that competition as well. I'm done chilling, you guys. I swear, I didn't mean that. No, I don't do 100 straight, bro. I don't. I do like 70, and then I finish the rest. Pro tip, yeah, I just got what I had, man. We're at the 786, yeah. So we'll see, man. I want to see us come down a little bit. If we're gonna, either way, whether we're gonna go down or we're gonna continue going up, I want to see just the market structure will look better if we go down from here. Bitcoin does have an ass-looking structure. You are right. You are right. Hey, Jabs' dad is here. What's up, bro? How was Disneyland, man, or Disney World or whatever? How is it possible that market maker just throwing money in our faces? I mean, yours. You're in a Pepe short for a long time. Could I look at Pepe? All right, let me look at Pepe for you. So I'll tell you the answer, man. Really, like, okay, if there's ever a time to short, it's now, in my opinion. Just looking at market Cipher over time, now is the time to short, not wherever you were shorting, because we got money coming out. Hey, not financial advice, okay? I'm 5'2 3/4, guys. Don't listen to me. I told you to short at 38K. I was bearish at 38K, so definitely don't listen to me. I'm 5'2 3/4. I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me. But in my opinion, if there's ever a time that Pepe is going to come down, locally, I'm on a 5-minute. Please understand what I'm saying. Okay, don't come to me on Monday and say, haha, Gio, Pepe's up 7,000%. I'm talking right now, like for the next hour. Now it looks like we could roll over a little bit, okay? Anyways, how is it possible that the market makers give infinite money? I will tell you this. I, in the slightest, did not expect to have this massive run-up, okay? Remember, I take the smart money approach of things, and the mistake that I made on this, not on the entire move up, because we trade every range, but the mistake I made was leaning a little bit more bearish than I was bullish, because of, I mean, A, the way market Cipher was looking, but also B, the fact that we have such a astronomical move to the upside. And people kept saying, like, yo, Gio, max pain is up. And I'm like, is it? Like, people have been longing, bro. Like, look at this. This whole thing that no one got swept, like, zero liquidity was, like, this is the ugliest part about these booty cheeks. Bitcoin has ass-looking structure. This is the ugliest part. This is the, I mean, I guess I was going to say booty hole, but I guess depending on which part of the ass you guys like the best. This is the shit part of the ass that looks horrible, right? And it has looked horrible since. And so to answer your question, like, how is it possible? Man, it's possible because, like, I didn't think it was, I mean, look, you can never say never, right? That's something that I learned. You can never really say never, but I do think that eventually they're gonna come for their money. Like, I don't see a way. You can't just go up. You literally cannot. It is impossible for price to just go up. I realize that didn't really answer your question, but I just work here. What do I know? Should we try? Let me see if I could try to get a Pepe short here. You know what? I don't really hate it, but we're at the low of this local range, right? We're at the low of this local range, and we don't typically want to short the lows of a range, right? That's not really what we want to be doing here. Although I do think we could come down a little bit. Let's see what happens. Maybe if we take this high, I will short it. Maybe if we see something like this. I will look to short if we do that. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. What do I know? CO. Okay, let's check this thing. Not even trolling. I know you're not trolling, bro. I know you. I know you. But man, like, you get it. Okay, I don't even know where to look this up, but I guess we'll do Bybit spot. This thing came out in December. I mean, I'll tell you this. I don't have enough data for me to do proper TA on this. I would not buy up here. Definitely not. But money flow. I mean, on the higher term time frames, this thing is suggesting, hey, like, you know, bull market is here. Bull market is here. Like, look at this money flow. This is crazy. So we might get somewhat of a pullback. This is like a buy the dip kind of thing. You know, if I was going to buy it or long it, I would say it probably makes sense for price to not go below this low here. And so, I mean, I would look to, like, if I was going to buy, I'll look to buy it down here. I got really nothing else to say because I don't have that much data, unfortunately, on this coin. This looks like it could go easily. That looks like it could go easily. So we'll see. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I want to keep an eye on Pepe because maybe we can get a little trade here. Let's see. Who am I looking at the picture? I don't remember, man. Smooth criminal. Oh, been offline for a bit. Back to the grind. How do you sign up for the boot camps? The link is in the description. Go to wap.com/trader-geo, but the link is in the description. Look at that. What did I say? Pepe might be a nice short. Let's see what's happening. We're down 1%. But yeah, the link is in the description down below. Or when we get to 100 likes, which we are 15 likes away, we can do a giveaway. All right. Yo, bro, allow shorting any meme coin unless you in the know. These guys on Twitter Spaces are aggressive pumpers, can pump anytime. Absolutely. Absolutely. 100% you have to be careful. But I don't think I mean, I guess people do have enough like Pepe to dump it like that, but I would never touch like really dirty shit coins, you know? I would never, ever. All right, Chris says you can just go up when richest people in the world are buying 10K a week every week. We are mid parabola. Overwhelming demand. Yeah, you know, the whole scarcity thing is an argument that you could make. However, there is going to be a point where these big bags are going to make a run for their profit. And the question is, at which point are they going to take the profit? That's the billion-dollar question, right? Like, nobody knows. I don't know. You don't know. Anybody that's telling you it's going to 75K, we don't know that for sure. Anybody that's telling you it's going to 200K, we definitely don't know that for sure, right? So I present you guys all the scenarios, and I say, if I see this, then I'll do this. If I don't see that, then I won't do that. Because I can't tell you. It could go to literally 10K from right now. This could be the high. 69217 could be the very high. And we go straight down to 10K from here. It's probably not going to happen, but it's all probabilities. It is technically possible, right? Just like you taking one step out your door and getting hit by a car, God forbid. It is technically possible. It's probably not going to happen, though. But it is our job to understand the probabilities. Ian Diaz says, what's up, Gio? Can I check? Is that Casper? Is that the same thing as Casper? CSPR? I don't know if it's the same. Let's check it. Yeah, I mean, I guess we'll look at the perpetual one. Okay. I don't know what this is or how to call it, but we're just ranging. Nothing really to say here. Okay, so this coin came out a year ago, at least on MEXC. Yeah, man, I mean, we're just ranging. We're literally just ranging. We flipped bullish back here in February. This coin looks like it's a little bit late to the party. Huh. This one is kind of interesting. Yeah, I would say we're just ranging. It doesn't look too bullish. It doesn't look too bearish, honestly. I would say, just like considering the way that the market is. Yeah, this is Casper. Okay. Considering the way that the market is in general, and the market's looking in general, I would say that it looks more bullish than it is bearish. This is probably a cheat sheet entry that we had here on the 2-day. 3-day is probably up too. Yeah, it definitely looks more bullish than bearish, but we're just ranging. So how high could it go? The sky is the limit. I don't know. If Bitcoin gets a pullback, you best believe that Casper is going to get a pullback as well. But in the long term, it actually looks a lot, it looks a lot more bullish than it does bearish, for sure. For sure. And if I was going to analyze the volume, I don't know if MEXC just doesn't give enough data, or this is when the coin was born, or whatever. I don't know. But for right now, we're above the value area high of this entire thing. And so I would say, like, we already came and had a healthy retest of the value area high. It looks like it's probably going to continue higher. Right? Looks like it's going to go higher. And just based on, again, like, this is like all the altcoins are in a very good position relative to Bitcoin. Okay. Why? Because your altcoin, remember, as long as Bitcoin ranges, your altcoins can continue moving up. If Bitcoin dumps, then your alts are going to bleed. But if Bitcoin ranges, then your alts can pump, and probably will pump. And if Bitcoin pumps, then your alts are probably going to pump as well, right? So alts are in a very good position right now because Bitcoin is in the high of its current range, potentially going to continue breaking out, right? If it breaks out, then we're up, cool, and your alts are probably up. But if it dumps a little bit, but not enough to break the range, then your alts can still move, especially if we get a nice slow move down. If we get like a nice slow bleed to the downside, like, it gives your alts a lot of room to move still. So even if Bitcoin comes down 10%, what will happen is Bitcoin will, let's just hypothetical, okay? Hypothetical scenario. Let's say Bitcoin comes down to like this middle part or even the low of the range. Bitcoin will probably come down here and start to range here. Your alts will go down with Bitcoin when Bitcoin goes down here. But then when Bitcoin finds its legs and just holds where it's holding, then that's where your alts will start moving again, right? So if this is Bitcoin, your alts will come down a little bit, and then they'll do this. While Bitcoin is doing this, your alts will do this. And then when Bitcoin does this, your alts will do this. Right? That's kind of how it works. So you always, I say it every day, you got to be paying attention. What did I just do? Oh, I skipped the song by accident. You got to be paying attention to what your alts are doing relative to Bitcoin. I say that literally every single day, right? But that's typically how your alts are going to work and how they're going to move. So you should always be charting your altcoins relative to Bitcoin all the time. Literally all the time. Let's follow up on Pepe. What is Pepe doing? Yeah. Okay. So Pepe kind of gave us what we wanted to see, but this didn't come high enough. But I do think, like I said, there was ever time to short Pepe locally. At least now's the time. And so we'll see what happens. I did not short it, but just wanted to say it. Pepe on the daily Cipher B will print a green dot soon. Looks like the pimp. Looks like the pump could get started. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look like that. Like, yeah, I mean, I can't say no. You're not wrong. You're definitely not wrong. But this could take a couple days still, you know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens over the weekend. I think next week will be not that crazy of a week. I don't know. It really depends on what happens over the weekend. Right? It really depends on what happens over the weekend. What happens with Bitcoin. Trader JX is pray for people that are still holding XRP. Yeah. I mean, I got a little bit of XRP. I actually bought XRP. It must have been like, I don't know, like what, 4 days ago? I did buy a little bit. I bought XRP down here. I bought it like, what day is today? Today's March. I bought XRP like right over here. Like maybe 58. I bought a little bit. So I'm up like 5-6%. Nothing crazy on it. Yeah, Mexi is weird on charts. Yeah, because the liquidity is not as good as like Binance or Bybit or whatever. I never chart on Mexi. Never. Never ever. I just love the weekly green dot on Casper. Yeah. It's been lagging. Small caps could have a big move. Hey man, maybe. You know, like I said, your alts are gonna move. This is absolutely altcoin season. And as long as Bitcoin keeps going sideways, like, okay, if you're bullish on all your alts, you should want Bitcoin to range. You know, that's what we want. We want it to range. Pennsylvania. Yeah. Yeah, man. I feel for you, bro. Rango the Sloth. Rango the Sloth, however you say it. I feel you, bro. I feel you on that. Alt season is here. Yo, but the thing about XRP, bro. Yo, what's up, brother? How are you? The thing about XRP is that, man, you guys are forgetting. I think a lot of people, like, it's turned into such a meme, but you guys are forgetting what XRP is capable of. XRP in 2 days ran up 100%. Back in June, look, July 23rd or July 14th, okay? Go look at any other coin July 14th. July 14th. Pepe absolutely did nothing. Litecoin, July 14th. July 14th. Was down. Didn't even do anything. Dogecoin, July 14th. July 14th. Did absolutely nothing. Shib. Caspa. You know, don't forget. Just don't forget. Don't sleep on some of these coins. Because some of these coins, man. Hey. Doge can move. XRP can move. That was the lawsuit thing. Yeah, man. It was. But doesn't mean that it can't move. Right? I know that it was because of the court thing. But it can move is my point. And even, look, if we even forget the court thing, it can move, guys. Pre-court thing, it can move. I'm not a big believer in it. I don't really care. All the alts move. But specifically XRP in my experience, XRP can move. ADA can move. You know, ADA knows how to move. When it's time to move, ADA knows how to move. Bonk is great, yeah. Bonk is great. I don't trade Bonk. I don't even remember the last time I checked Bonk. But I remember it was like a big thing. I do remember it was a big thing. Where do you trade perpetuals on it? I guess we'll check Binance. Oh, yeah, I guess I did check it recently. Somebody might have asked. I mean, Bonk is kind of looking the same as Bitcoin, which is probably the... Oh, this is Bitcoin. All right, that's embarrassing. Let's pretend that that didn't happen. Okay, I guess we'll just check a spot thing. That is so funny that that just happened. I'm like, Bonk is looking the same as Bitcoin. It's the same. Guys, real quick before I continue. Hello, everybody. Who's in here? How many people we got? We got 173 people in here. Only 100 likes. So either half of you guys don't have hands or don't like me. And I hope it's that you don't have hands. Just kidding. I would rather you not like me than you not have hands. But, guys, do me a favor. Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. So do me a solid and hit the like button for me. 2 more likes and I'm doing a giveaway. And I want to give it away. It's Friday and I'm in a great mood. We're pumping. I made a couple $1,000 today. I'm happy. Okay, we're happy. We're chilling. I'm in a good mood. So let's see if we can get those likes up, guys. I appreciate y'all. All right. Yeah, Bonk looks pretty good. We got hidden bullish divergences here on the 4-hour time frame. Damn, this actually looks really good. Can you long Bonk on... I wonder if you can long Bonk. Let's see if you can long Bonk. Oh, you can! Okay, so we're going to be paying attention. I'm going to be paying attention to Bonk. Let me add this thing to my chart. I'm going to pay attention to Bonk. Because Bonk is looking really nice right now. We got hidden bull divs. We got thick green money flow. And so, I mean, look at the 8-hour. Bonk is looking really good. I might buy some spot. Guys, a couple days ago, I told you guys I bought, what was it? Algo? Was it Algorand? And algo was up pretty nice from that point. So shouts out to the ones that bought Algorand with me. Bonk is growing. Yeah, Bonk is growing. Let's go. We need the likes. Let's get the likes, man. Boyne agrees and would buy the dip at 0.55. For what? For Bonk? Or, oh, for XRP? Which coin? Which coin, bro? Shouts out to Gomer Pyle. Says, I am brand new to the channel. You hit the like and subscribe. Welcome, my friend. I'm glad that you're here. My name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And so, hey, stick around. You might learn a thing or two. But I got to drop the disclaimer on you guys because, hey, I'm not perfect. Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio, that's me, is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4" wannabe singer. You'll hear the wannabe singing later in a little bit. And Devi, not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. I'm happy to have you guys here. I am happy to have you here. You are new. Can you have one of the camps? Well, I'll tell you this, Lady Crypto. Later today, actually soon, I'm going to do a giveaway. And I'm going to turn Fridays into Rock Fridays. And we're going to make crypto great again. Because crypto kind of sucks. We're going to make it great again. And actually, it never was good. But for the slogan, we have to say, make crypto great again. But I'm going to make crypto great. Single-handedly. So, Fridays, we're going to do Rock Fridays. And I'm going to do this giveaway here. And I am rooting for you to win. I am rooting for you. Okay? Lady Crypto, if you are here every live stream next week, on next Friday, in addition to my giveaway, on the next Rock Fridays, I will give you a giveaway. But you got to be here every single day. I think that's fair. I think that's fair. I think that is fair. Did I make a trade today? Tyson, I did make a trade today. And I gave the trade setup to my VIP members. Guys, the link is in the description down below. I gave the trade the perfect setup. We did well today, man. We did well. We did really well today. We did do well today. Here, I'll play for you guys. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna play for you guys this update. Then I'm gonna get the giveaway ready, and then we'll call it a day. Gomer says, I am a singer, toured Germany with your band. That's sick, bro. I wish. I should have been a rock star, honestly. I should have been. Will I recreate the video on Market Cipher B as I did in the boot camp? Will I recreate the video on Market Cipher B as I did in the boot camp? I don't understand the question. I have a lot of Market Cipher videos on YouTube, and I have my boot camp videos. But I will definitely not redo the boot camp for Market Cipher B because it is so hard to explain. It is so make crypto great again. Am I high? I am not high, bro. I'm not high. I don't do that. The most I do is drink occasionally, but I'm not high. I want to show you real quick why I decided to end up taking this long. So right now in the VIP, I just gave a very quick update. On the 2-hour time frame, we came down and we mitigated this order block, okay? So I wasn't watching it. I didn't get the long from the exact low, but that's okay because technically speaking, when you're using order blocks, you should be waiting for confirmation as well. We do have the vector candles above us that we can come and recover. Let's see, OB here. Okay, we got a 2-hour order block that we hit. And we know that we have the vector candles that we can come and recover. At the same time, we had at the same time here at the highs, as I mentioned in the update here a few minutes ago, this was not that strong of a move to the downside. Okay, it was just a lot of longs, $20 million of longs taking profit. Okay, so you got to understand that, like, this wasn't a lot of shorts coming in. And so what happened after these longs took profit is people started FOMOing shorts, which is crazy to say, but we might come up and squeeze these shorts. That's why I ended up taking it. On the lower term time frames, I drew this already with the VIP. You can see, first of all, that we have money flow on the 10-minute. Money flow, look at this. Cheat sheet entry right there. Money flow on the 5-minute. Everything is still crazy enough pointing to the upside. So as soon as I saw this break, I was saying, all right, this is not confident. I'm not super convinced that this is going to be a nice break because it's only a 1-minute break and it's not that clean of a break. But once I saw things stopping here and we're starting to get the green vectors pushing out, I'm thinking, all right, now that we officially broke again, I do think that this is a relatively safe trade. We could come back down and retest these lows, but as far as I'm seeing, there's not really much that we can come back to aside from this 1 hour order block. So let's actually adjust our low. I don't know if we're gonna make it there. We're about to hit the TP. I did enter the position. I'm gonna take. Anyways, guys, so those are the updates that you get in VIP, and I give those updates multiple times a day. I mean, let's count how many updates literally just today alone we had. Yesterday at 7 o'clock, and then we had 1, 2, 3. I mean, that was me adding that one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 updates, guys. 8 updates today alone. And so, hey, if you are interested in joining my VIP section where I teach you guys what I'm doing, I show you guys why I'm doing it. I do Q&As every week. I do TA streams every day / every other day, depending on what's going on. The link is in the description down below. Guys, we have hit 100 likes. And so now we are going to do our giveaway. Just to recap, we are at the high of the range and we are in the last order block of the range. Just saying. All right. Just saying, bro, this made me laugh. Hello from Scotland. Craig Harper, hello from Canada. I'm not going to give you a Scottish accent because I have absolutely no idea how to do that. My brain cannot comprehend a Scottish accent. I don't even know. You know what? Here's what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to look it up. I'm going to hold on.
Hello, my name is Fraser McKinley from Scotland. I'm posting this video as a concern.
My name is Fraser from Scotland. You
Citizen.
want me to say your ma's got balls and your dad loves it? They roll the R's. They're like, your ma's got balls and your dad loves it.
A lot of people are talking about
Your ma
the quarantine
and your dad.
and they're all saying
Your ma's got balls. What am I saying? Am I saying some bad stuff? Please don't do a Ouija. Your ma's got balls and your dad loves it. I don't know, man. I just work here. Your ma's got balls and your dad loves it. Yo, fire accent, man. I would love to go to Scotland. Scotland's got some nice scenery. Right? I would love to go to Scotland. All right, man. I hope I didn't just make a fool of myself, and I hope I didn't swear at anybody there. Shout out to Gomer. Wish I had your energy. You're 56 now. I move a lot. Yeah, man. I move a lot. I have ADHD. I've always been energetic. I don't drink coffee. I don't have caffeine. I've just always been like this. Literally always. At Trader Geo, have I tried trading ETH USDT? It is much more volatile. I have, man. Lately, I've been sticking to Bitcoin. But yeah, man, I have been trading. I have tried trading ETH BTC. So, guys, please don't do an accent. Give to a rock star. High on the gains. Feely my bony. I'm not gonna say that. You're late to the stream. Bro, we said it, man. We announced it in the Discord. You gotta be there. You gotta be there. All right, so Bitcoin's getting a little dump on. We're getting a little bit of a dump right now. And so here's what we're gonna do while we're dumping. I'm gonna lighten up the mood a little bit. Because Bitcoin is dumping and everybody's sad. Oh, well, Geo is not sad because Geo shorted the top. I mean, Geo didn't short the top, but Geo told you that Geo was looking for shorts up here. And Geo did pull the trigger on the shorts. So, Geo is long, Geo is short, Geo is happy, Geo is chilling. Geo, you're not long, you're not short. Yes, guys, I am, okay? I am. I absolutely am. So, while we are getting these red vectors to the downside, and we know that the number 2 rule when it comes to market cipher are whenever you're going to see a green dot, which no matter what, the next dot is going to be green. You cannot have 2 red dots in a row. You got to look to the left and say that these vectors can get recovered. Remember, earlier on the stream, I was saying whether we're going to continue higher or we're going to continue lower, I would prefer coming down because structure was looking kind of fugly up here. Well, now, if we're going to continue higher, structure is looking a lot less fugly. And so, you know, it's acceptable, right? We got this. Looks way better now. So if it's going to keep going higher, you're welcome. This is what you wanted to see. And if it's going to keep going lower, you're welcome. Because I told you it was time to short. Scalping, guys. Don't come to me on Sunday and say, ha ha ha, Gio, you're an idiot. You shorted 68,782, but Bitcoin is at $476,000. Shut up. All right. Here's what we're going to do, my friendos, okay? This is what we're going to do. I am going to go on my YouTube channel. We're going to click your channel. We're going to go to yesterday's live stream, okay? Which was yesterday. And this is what we're going to do. Today is Rock Fridays, the first ever. What we're going to do is I'm going to send this link 5 times, okay? You're all going to go over to that link. Make sure you hit the like button there and drop a comment. I don't care what the comment says. Gio, you have 4 eyes. Gio, your eyebrows are too thick. Gio, you're not strong. Gio, you're super short. Gio, your teeth are perfect. Whatever you guys want to say. I'm not trying to put words in your mouth. But it has to have this emoji. Okay, it has to have this one. The rock on emoji. Because we're about to rock on right now. So it has to have that emoji. And in precisely, what time is it? In precisely 8 minutes, I'm going to roll the giveaway. So everybody go to that video and do that. And then we're going to have our very first rock and roll Rock Fridays because we are going to make crypto great again. Okay, we're going to make crypto great again. And I'm going to hide my screen for just 1 second because I don't know what's going to come up here. And I have to make sure that, and poof, magic. Ha, 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 ha. I'm just kidding. There's nothing that's going to come up, but I just need to move my my Logic Pro. Oh, now you guys are going to hear some echo. I just got to move my Logic Pro. Y'all going to start hearing some echo now. We're going to mute the mic. We're going to turn the main screen up. So now you guys can hear me through Logic Pro. Okay? We have the echo on. We're going to hit it here in a second. Just saying. Everybody go and do that so we can get started. Let me answer a couple more questions. Here, let's turn off the echo for now. Answer a couple more questions, and then we'll do our giveaway. All right. In the meantime, let's get in the mood, baby. Let's get in the mood. Why are you in a mood? I'm like looking at the screen like I'm an old man. Where's the one I'm looking for? Ah, there we go. Okay. Come on now, everybody head over to that video. Guys, go to the video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you drop the comment and put this here. When you're done, do the comment here so that I know that you're done. Let's get her going, baby. Come on now. Go, 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 go. Yes, sir. S Phaser. I have a whole playlist. If you come to my channel, go to playlists and click on Market Cipher. The whole Market Cipher playlist. All these. Enjoy it, brother. Go, go, go! I'll be back. Go drop the like.
Something greater, go make a legacy, manifest destiny. Back in the days we wanted everything, Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything, Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting.
I don't know if you guys just saw it. Did you guys? Ow. Where's my mouse? Ooh. I'm gonna go back. Did you guys just see me fall? I just ate shit, bro. I don't know if you guys saw that. I literally just, okay, not literally, but I just ate shit. All right, guys, listen. We are in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ow, man. 3 minutes. We're gonna do our giveaway here. Okay? If you're new here, every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, and you are going to get a chance, you're going to get an opportunity now to, you're going to get a chance now to win one of these, some of this alpha. Damn, man, I really just hurt myself. And hey, it was not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to learn this game. And so if I can help you with this premium content, that's what I'm here for, man. Let me check the comments real quick and let's do our giveaway. When the whole boot camp, I will do. Oh, you guys didn't see it? Damn, I wish you did. I'll do a whole boot camp bundle giveaway at 10K. At 10K. All right, we did it. Okay, so it's Rock Fridays. Okay, your ears, like, I apologize to your ears in advance, but you're gonna get over it. Okay, you're gonna get over it. We're gonna get. Oh, there we go. We're dubbed now. We're gonna hide the road. Make sure that, so now you can hear me through Logic. We're gonna bump today's rock song, and we're all gonna have a gay old time, okay? If you know the words, sing it with me. If you don't know the words, then look the words up, man. Like, what do you want me to tell you? I can't do everything for you guys, come on. No, I'm just kidding. I got you, because I also don't know the words. Guys, we are doing the giveaway here in 2 minutes, and this song, man, is an absolute banger. It is called I Was Made for Loving You. 1% of my audience are women. Dude, 1% of my audience are women, and if you are part of the 1% that are women, this is for you, girl. Let's get this giveaway going on the road tonight. I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, so much I wanna do. And tonight, I wanna lay it all for you. 'Cause girl, you were made for me. Girl, I was made for you. Come on now, sing it. I was Hold on. Wait, am I on the right video? Dude, I'm not even on the right video. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Guys, I just work here. All right, there we go. What was the link that I did? Is it the same link? Chain link. Let's see if it's the same link. Oh my God, it's not even the same link. All right, we're gonna run it back. Run it back, man, run it back. What an idiot. This guy's an absolute idiot. All right, let's do it again, man. Come on now, let's go. We're gonna make crypto great again. All right, the winner is... Boom! User F9FN1. You're the winner, man. And I'm gonna tell you how in just a second. Hold on, but tonight I wanna give it all to you. Come on now, sing it with me. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight I wanna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. And girl, you were made for me. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner of the giveaway. This is what I need you to do, man. I need you to head over to the YouTube, and I need you to click on the top right here. And I need you to take a screenshot of this. Head over to the Discord, open up a ticket, and let me know which one of the 4 boot camps you are interested in. Guys, thank you very much for our first Rock and Roll Friday. I will see you guys on Monday. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't get enough with you, baby. You get it. Sing it with me, let's go. I was made for loving you. We're gonna make crypto great again together, guys. Have an amazing weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Please do not be irresponsible with your trades, guys. Do not be irresponsible with your trades. That's curtains, guys. I'll see you next time.
Set my heart on fire.